Oprah Winfrey has a remarkable gift. She connects with people in a way few others can. Her ability to forge deep, meaningful relationships is unparalleled. She makes guests on her shows feel comfortable and safe enough to share their deepest secrets, fears, and triumphs. What is her secret? How does she manage to create such an environment of trust and openness? It's a combination of carefully honed techniques and a genuine empathy that resonates with millions. Oprah's approach is both an art and a science, blending heartfelt sincerity with strategic communication skills. This essay will delve into the specific strategies Oprah employs to create such profound connections, offering insights we can all use to improve our own communication and relationships. By examining her methods, we can uncover valuable lessons in empathy, listening, and engagement. Her ability to create a safe space for vulnerability is truly remarkable. She has an innate talent for making people feel at ease, allowing them to open up in ways they might not have thought possible. She draws people in, making them feel seen and heard. This is not just a superficial connection, it's a deep, genuine bond that she forms with each individual. This is a powerful skill, one that can transform ordinary conversations into meaningful exchanges. It's about more than just talking, it's about truly understanding and connecting with another person on a profound level. Oprah's influence extends far beyond the television screen. Her impact is felt in homes, workplaces, and communities around the world. Oprah's impact on communication and connection is undeniable. She has set a new standard for how we interact with one another, emphasizing the importance of empathy and understanding. She has changed the way we talk about difficult topics, making it more acceptable to share our struggles and vulnerabilities. This openness has paved the way for more honest and meaningful conversations in society. Her approach is not about interviewing, it's about connecting on a human level. She transcends the traditional role of a host, becoming a confidant and a friend to her guests. This is what sets her apart. Her ability to connect with people on such a deep level is what makes her truly unique. She understands that true connection comes from empathy and understanding. This is the foundation of her approach, and it's what makes her so effective. This is why people are drawn to her, both as viewers and as guests on her shows. They feel a genuine connection with her, one that is built on trust and mutual respect. She creates a space where people feel safe to be themselves. This is a rare and valuable gift, one that allows for true, unfiltered expression. This is a rare and valuable gift. It's a testament to her ability to make people feel valued and understood. Oprah's legacy will be one of connection and empathy. Her influence has shaped the way we communicate and connect with one another, leaving a lasting impact on society. Her influence has permeated popular culture, shaping how we communicate and connect with one another. She has made it more acceptable to discuss personal and sensitive topics openly. She has normalized conversations about sensitive topics, making it more acceptable to share our vulnerabilities. This has had a profound impact on how we relate to one another. This has had a ripple effect, creating a more open and accepting society. Her influence has encouraged others to be more open and honest in their own lives. Oprah's impact is far-reaching and profound. She has touched the lives of millions, inspiring them to embrace their true selves and connect with others on a deeper level. She has empowered countless individuals to embrace their authentic selves. This empowerment has led to a greater sense of self-worth and confidence in many people. This is a testament to her ability to connect with people on a deep and meaningful level. Her approach has fostered countless meaningful conversations and connections. Her legacy will continue to inspire generations to come. The lessons she has taught us about empathy, connection, and communication will endure for years to come. She has shown us the power of vulnerability and the importance of human connection. These are lessons that will continue to resonate with future generations. This is a gift that keeps on giving. Her influence continues to grow, touching the lives of new audiences every day. Her approach is a masterclass in communication, offering valuable lessons for us all. By studying her methods, we can learn to improve our own communication skills. By understanding her techniques, we can learn to foster deeper connections in our own lives. This is the true power of Oprah's influence. This is the true power of Oprah's influence. It's not just about entertainment. It's about empowering us to connect with one another in more meaningful ways. It's not just about entertainment. It's about empowering us to connect with one another in more meaningful ways. This is a legacy that will continue to shape our world for years to come. This is a legacy that will continue to shape our world for years to come. Oprah's impact is undeniable. She has changed the way we communicate and connect with one another. Her influence has made a lasting impact on how we relate to one another. This is a testament to her unique ability to create a space for genuine human connection. Her approach has fostered countless meaningful conversations and connections. Her legacy will continue to inspire. The lessons she has taught us about empathy, connection, and communication will endure for years to come.
Oprah Winfrey's media empire is a testament to her ability to connect with people on a deeply personal level. From her humble beginnings, she built a platform that amplified voices and shared stories, resonating with millions worldwide. Her journey from a small studio to becoming a global icon is nothing short of inspirational. Her talk show, The Oprah Winfrey Show, became a cultural phenomenon, a place where people felt seen and heard. It wasn't just a show, it was a movement that brought people together. This success wasn't built on sensationalism, but on genuine connection. Oprah's ability to create a safe space for her guests allowed for raw, unfiltered conversations that touched the hearts of many. Oprah's empire is a testament to the power of empathy. Her interviews often delved into the human experience, exploring themes of love, loss, and resilience. Her influence extends beyond her own shows. She has been a mentor and a guiding light for many in the industry. She has launched the careers of countless individuals, providing a platform for their voices to be heard. Her book club, for instance, has turned unknown authors into bestsellers overnight. This is a testament to her commitment to empowering others. Oprah has always believed in the potential of people and has used her platform to uplift and inspire. Oprah understands that true success comes from lifting others up. Her philanthropic efforts have touched countless lives, providing education, healthcare, and hope to those in need. This is a philosophy that has guided her throughout her career. She has always emphasized the importance of giving back and making a difference. She has created a space for diverse voices and perspectives. Her show has featured guests from all walks of life, fostering a sense of inclusivity and understanding. Her magazine, The Oprah Magazine, further solidified her connection with her audience, offering advice, inspiration, and a sense of community. It became a trusted source for women seeking guidance and empowerment. The magazine became a trusted source for women seeking guidance and empowerment. It provided a platform for stories that mattered, touching on issues that were often overlooked. It reflected Oprah's own values and beliefs, creating a space for open and honest conversations. The magazine was more than just a publication, it was a community. This is a testament to her ability to connect with people on a personal level. Oprah's interactions with her fans have always been genuine and heartfelt. Oprah's empire is a testament to the power of human connection. She has shown that when we come together, we can achieve great things. She has built a platform that celebrates our shared experiences, reminding us that we are all connected. Her show has been a beacon of hope and understanding. This is a message that resonates deeply with people from all walks of life. Oprah's ability to connect with her audience is unparalleled. Oprah's influence is a force for good in the world. Her charitable work has made a significant impact, changing lives and communities. She has shown us the power of empathy and the importance of human connection. Her legacy is one of compassion and understanding. This is a legacy that will continue to inspire for generations to come. Her impact is undeniable, and her story is a testament to the power of perseverance and empathy. Oprah Winfrey has a knack for creating an environment where trust and openness flourish. Her ability to connect with people on a deep, emotional level is unparalleled. This is no small feat, especially in a world where vulnerability is often met with skepticism. Many people are hesitant to open up, fearing judgment or misunderstanding. So how does she do it? Oprah's approach is rooted in authenticity and a genuine interest in others. She doesn't just pretend to care, she truly does. She listens intently, responds empathetically, and makes people feel valued. Her body language, eye contact, and verbal affirmations all contribute to making her guests feel heard and understood. This creates a space where guests feel comfortable opening up about their lives. They share their deepest fears, hopes and dreams, knowing they are in a safe space. Another key aspect of Oprah's technique is her ability to ask the right questions. She has a talent for knowing exactly what to ask to get to the heart of the matter. She doesn't just skim the surface, she dives deep, encouraging guests to explore their thoughts and feelings. This depth of conversation allows for genuine connections to be made. This is not just about getting a good story, it's about understanding the person behind the story. Oprah's goal is to reveal the humanity in each of her guests. Oprah's questions are thoughtful and probing, yet respectful and considerate. She knows how to balance curiosity with sensitivity. This balance is what makes her interviews so compelling and insightful. Viewers are drawn in, feeling as though they are part of the conversation. Oprah also knows the importance of creating a physical environment that fosters openness. The setting of her interviews is carefully curated to make guests feel at home. Her set design, seating arrangements, and even the lighting are all carefully considered to make guests feel at ease. The warm lighting and comfortable seating create a welcoming atmosphere. This attention to detail shows her commitment to creating a safe and welcoming space. Every element is designed to put her guests at ease. It's not just about what is said, it's about how it is said and where it is said. The environment plays a crucial role in facilitating open and honest conversations. This holistic approach is a key part of her success. By considering every aspect of the interview experience, Oprah ensures that her guests feel comfortable and willing to share. Finally, Oprah's own vulnerability plays a significant role in creating an atmosphere of trust. She doesn't shy away from sharing her own struggles and experiences. She often shares her own struggles and experiences, showing that she is just as human as her guests. This openness encourages her guests to be equally candid. This willingness to be open and honest breaks down barriers and encourages others to do the same. It creates a sense of solidarity and mutual understanding. It's a powerful reminder that we are all in this together, and that sharing our stories can bring us closer. This connection is at the heart of Oprah's interviews. Oprah's ability to create an environment of trust and openness is a testament to her skill as a communicator and her deep understanding of human nature. Her interviews are more than just conversations. They are transformative experiences for both her guests and her audience.